As we all know, rendering a 3D scene can be a slow and resource-intensive process, and often causing frustration. So in this video, I will share 5 valuable tips to increase your render speed and save you a significant time. These tips will save you from hours of rendering time. Tip number 1. Adjusting noise threshold. For Cycles users, the noise threshold setting is a powerful and simple way to increase render speed. By slightly changing the values, you can achieve a significant reduction in render time. Higher values though decrease render time but may introduce noise in the darker areas of the image. Tip number 2 is denoising. Denoising effectively removes noise from rendering using AI algorithm. 2 methods to choose from: OpenMS denoise or CPU based, and Optics, which is NVIDIA GPU based. Test both methods to find the one that works best for your scene. And denoising is great because you can render your scene faster with a lot of noise than denoising it into a clearer image. Tip 3 is instancing for large scene. Creating a group of objects, please use this instead. Instancing allows you to duplicate objects without increasing memory or crashing Blender. Each instances share the same data as the original object, optimizing performance, ideal for creating dense forests or large-scale scenes without sacrificing rendering efficiency. Tip number 4 is optimizing light path. Adjusting the maximum number of bounces can significantly reduce render time. The total number of bounces depends on the complexity of your scene and the desired lighting effects. Experiment with the different setting and preset to find the optimal balance for your specific scene. Last tip, which is tip number 5, combining decimation, texture optimization, and imposters. Decimation reduces polygon count, which therefore optimizing dense objects. Texture optimization minimize the use of high-resolution texture for less important objects. Imposters replace distant objects with flat, plain images, reducing polygon counts while maintaining detail. Conclusion: applying these 5 tips will greatly improve your render speed and save valuable time. However, it is essential to learn how to create high-quality material, high-quality objects, high-quality scene for the best result. That's it for today. Stay tuned on this channel because we are gonna share tips and tricks. Also, lots of updates about CG stuff. See you on the next video. Bye.